Okay. You don't want to be in my camera? One, two, three, go! Not at me! You make me fall down the mountain. Thanks! Got it, yes! Oh! Oh, what a view. Put some on your face, on your neck. Nope. Get him, get him! Is that a glider plane?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, how neat.
Unmanned remote controller.
Look at the thermals, how he was able to take that up when he waved.
I want him to come back. Do it again. The camera wasn't out.
That looks like so much fun.
See it come back? Oh, here he comes.
Look at him. Oh my gosh.
Look at the canopy as he comes down here. Because he'll be waving to us.
Wow, it's so small.
I wish I'd got mine out. Oh, how
He's waving.
That is cool.
that's so cool.
So jealous if you were on this side.
Wow. But I mean, you have to be in the.
We made it to Throop Pig.
Go to the one city.
There's Debbie eating lunch. We made it. There's Baldy, also known as San Antonio Mountain, I think it's called.
If it's not too late, I'm going to have
And then Baden Powell. Beautiful temperature up here. Feels like about 70.
Some days you get like 5 flights.
I'm pretty sure she won't let me
No wind.
go to the rehearsal. The rehearsal will just be over and the equipment will be.
There's Mount Wilson way over there. The towers and the...
I know, cool. You can say all you want. Like, you can even just watch it.
whatever that dome's called. I can't think of it.
I have a series that I'm doing. I've got hundreds of them that are just stuff in blue. Oh wow, look at that view.
You're doing it.
Your body better.
There's my truck.